What if your restaurant could receive $250,000 in growth capital while simultaneously attracting thousands of new guests without giving up equity or making a single monthly loan payment? No loan, no interest, no personal guarantee, no credit check, no equity dilution, no fixed repayment schedule. Here is why there is no catch. ATMG Hospitality helps qualified restaurant owners access upfront growth capital through its Restaurant Capital Network, meaning you receive real upfront cash today, backed by your future dining revenue. No bank involved, no debt on your books. The model works because your growth funds itself. Upfront cash available, $10,000 to $20 million or more, depending on your revenue, location count, and eligibility. This capital can help you open another location, renovate your restaurant, replace aging equipment, expand your inventory, hire staff, increase marketing, or strengthen your working capital. Every day, millions of diners are deciding where to eat. Your restaurant becomes one of their choices. Featured on a food and beverage mobile app with more than 5 million users nationwide, alongside 7,000 plus participating restaurants and venues, with an estimated 20,000 by end of 2026, your restaurant gets in front of new guests actively looking for places to dine. Continuous customer acquisition, increased visibility, more repeat guests, more revenue. Turn slow tables into revenue. Empty seats on Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday represent unrealized revenue. This program helps convert future dining activity into immediate cash while attracting new guests to your restaurant. Here's the key point. The pre-purchased credit balance is only reduced when new guests acquired through the food and beverage mobile app dine at your restaurant and redeem. All tips stay with your server, not from your existing customers. Most qualified restaurants are funded within days. From the moment you qualify, ATMG Hospitality provides a white-glove onboarding experience. Through approval, funding, onboarding, and launch, we guide you every step of the way. Find out how much upfront capital your restaurant may qualify for. Schedule your confidential complimentary consultation today.